Happy birthday sa iyo, Coach. Wish ko sa birthday mo is more birthdays to come, good health, and enjoyin mo lang ang iyong araw at pabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Again, happy birthday po, Coach.
Coach,
Hello po! Happy birthday po!
happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you!
Bye.
Happy birthday, kuya ko. Galingan mo ng palagi.
Happiest birthday, Coach, and I hope magkaroon po tayo ng more interactions sa upcoming days na magkakasama tayo. And I know wala pa tayong interaction, but wishing you all the best and hope to see you this Sunday. Bye-bye. Happy birthday!
Hi, Coach Nerfy. Happy birthday sa'yo.
God bless!
Hi Coach, happy 18th birthday sa'yo and enjoy your day and don't forget to smile.
Hi Coach Nerfy, it's your girl Yazel and I want you to know that happy birthday and I wish you all the best in life, more blessings and more modeling experience journey with you. And have a great day and enjoy your day. Peace out!
Happy birthday Murphy. Gila.
Tayo, punuan po ng Jumelis dito. Kaya na ba naman?
Hello Coach. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Coach Murphy. Ang masasabi ko lang ay, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Hi Coach Nerfy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, more birthdays to come and sana makabanding na pa kita soon. And ayun lang, feeling ko magkakasundo talaga tayo. So, sana makabanding kita. Good luck to us, Team Nerfy. Atake! Love you, ma.
Hi, Coach. Happy birthday, happy 18th birthday, happy jolly birthday. Alam ko, hindi naman tayo yung closest. Pero sana ma-appreciate mo yung greetings ko sa'yo and sana mag-grow together tayo to be one family, to be actual friends. And sana na-enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon. Alam ko, late na to, gabi na. Sorry. Gumawa kasi kami, guys. may project kasi kami. Pero sana ma-appreciate mo to. Happy birthday po.
Hi Nerfy, happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy 18th birthday, Nerfy! I love you so much. I'll make it short na lang kasi alam mo naman na yun. I'm so grateful sa mga advice at mga turo mo sa akin, lalo-lalo na sa pasarela. You really improved my walk. Ikaw talaga yun eh. Kaya ako nanalo. Yun lang. I love you so much.
Happy birthday baby girl. More notas to come. Ingat. Love you.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Nerfy. Happy birthday sa pinakamalupit naming bunso. Sana lagi mong i-enjoy ang buhay, lagi ka mag-iingat. And then, yun lang. Sana mas magkasama pa tayo ng mas madalas kasi enjoy. Nag-enjoy akong kasama ka. So yun, ingat ka palagi. God bless. Yee!
Hi, Nerfy. Happy birthday. Kahit tayo kitang inaasar, love kita. Good luck sa journey mo. Sa gusto mong tahakin na career and all. Good luck and God bless. Love you always.
Hi, Nerfy! Happy birthday to you. I hope you enjoy your very special day today. And I do wish you all the best in your life with happiness and love that you always deserve. Happy birthday again, Nerfy!
Happy birthday, Nerfy!
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Nerfy! We miss you and we love you. Wow, peace!
Happy na birthday mo pa! Happy na birthday mo pa!
So, happy birthday, Nerfy! I wish you all the best and sana ma-enjoy mo yung day mo today. And I just want to let you know that Ate Kersey is always here and I'm really happy to have you as my friend and sana mas maging masaya pa yung life mo moving forward. I love you! Happy birthday! Eyelineran kita. Sige. Mwah!
Hindi, birthday greetings to.
Fuck the patriarchy!
Happy birthday, love. Sabihin ko dito. Keep doing the things you love. I love you.
Wow!
Happy birthday. I love you so, so much.
Happy birthday, Coach Nerfy. I just want to say thank you for everything and also nakilala kita. Ang gusto ko lang din sabihin sa'yo ay gusto ko maging healthy ka palagi. And good luck sa magiging journey mo. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Coach Nerfy. Wishing you a day filled with love. May your day be fabulous as you are.
Hi, it's Vale or Val. That's what you call me. And I just wanted to say happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. And I'm really glad that we became friends. And I'm glad that you're still here after, the hardships that you faced. And I know that you are very strong and marami ka nang pinagdaanan, and yet you're still here, you're still present, which is something that is very admirable from you. And yeah, I hope na whatever it is that you're doing now, ipagpatuloy mo pa siya in the future and aim to be the best version of yourself that you will ever ask for, and we're all here to witness that. I just wanted to say that I'm always here. Your friends, me and Iya are always here for you, and even if it seemed like the different time schedules and nagkaiba ng school, ganon. I just wanted to say that we are always here for you, and you can always reach out to us, and we are glad that we are friends with you and that you are here. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. This score is done, and I wish you more birthdays to come and good health and more blessings to come, and hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday to my favorite cousin. Stay maganda at masikip.
Happy birthday, Harold. This is Tito Philip wishing you a wonderful birthday. Hopefully you have a beautiful and a blessed one. I wish I was there to be able to celebrate it with you. However, I cannot be. But that doesn't mean that you can't stop from having fun. You're turning 18, so a lot of doors are going to be opening up for you and a lot of responsibilities. Either way it goes, I know that you got this, and I wish that you have a wonderful and a beautiful, blessed birthday. Happy birthday. I'll see you later.
Happy 18th birthday, Beshi! Dalaga ka na. So, yun. I'm so blessed to have you as my daughter. But kidding aside, sobrang happy ako and sobrang proud ako of how you become a responsible, kind, determined person as you are right now. Although may mga struggles, may mga nangyaring hindi maganda, pero the fact na hindi ka sumuko is sobrang blessed na tayo doon. And sobrang blessed ako na magkasama pa rin tayo. I love you and lagi ka lang maging happy. Happy birthday. At saka, ito pala, PS. Akala mo wala kami surprise. Pero, ito yun. Happy birthday! Sana na-enjoy mo yung surprise namin. Nila Sir JP mo, nila Kuya Rinier, nila Kuya Dan, na mga friends mo, ni Val, nila Ate JP, ni Tito Philip. Yan. So, napaka-blessed natin dalawa kasi maraming taong nagmamahal sa atin. So, I love you. Enjoy mo yung araw mo kasi maganda ka ngayong araw na to. So, sige. Papayag na. Love you.
All of my life, I thought I was right, looking for something new. Stuck in my ways, like old-fashioned days, but all the roads led me to you. The house that you live in don't make it a home, but feeling lonely don't mean you're alone. People in life, they will come and they'll leave, but if I had a choice, I know where I would be. Through the lows and the highs, I will stay by your side. There's no need for goodbyes now, I'm seeing the light. When the sky turns to gray and there's nothing to say, at the end of the day, I choose you.
Hi, Nerf. Saan ba ako pupunta? Sama si Arian. Bibili kami ng pang-gift sa'yo. Kalsada ng Sikyo. Nakatapos ko lang bumili. Yan. Ano lang, nakita ko lang siya. Kasi feeling ko, magugustuhan mo siya. Wala. Hi, Harold. Sama ko si Mama. Kasama ko mama ni Coach Nerfy. I love you. I love you. I love you, boss. So, hi Nerfy! Happy birthday! Hindi ko na alam po anong sasabihin ko sa'yo kasi every time naman palagi ko sinasabi sa'yo yung mga dapat kong sabihin. Siguro gusto ko lang magpa-thank you sa lahat ng bagay na ginawa mo para sa akin. Gusto kong sabihin na I do appreciate all of your efforts na ginagawa just for me to get back on you. Get back on you. I'm praying and I'm hoping na sana maabot mo yung mga bagay na hinihiling mo at the same time or pinapangarap mo. Andito lang ako palagi para sa'yo. Alam mo naman yun. Gusto ko lang makita kang mag-succeed sa future mo at the same time. Kung ano man yung mga gusto mo pang maabot at marating sa buhay, I will support you 100%. Gusto ko lang na palagi kang nakasmile. Kaya hanggat nandito ako, hindi ko hahayaang maging malungkot yung buhay mo at the same time. I promise to take care of you since that is the one that you promised me na iingatan din ko ano yung meron. Gusto ko lang na iparamdam sa'yo how grateful I am and how happy I am to have a Nerfy. Katulad yan sinabi ko, everybody should have a Nerfy and everybody deserve a Nerfy at the same time, okay? And I hope you're the one. Again, happy birthday and enjoy your day.